Hello guys, welcome back to Automobile Tech RV. Today I have a new thing for you guys, and I'm going to show you that how you can fix this problem. And actually, my AC blower making a strange noise. That's why I'm going to show you, and you can check it. Yeah, like oh, so something like that, and it's really annoying. So today I thought I should fix this problem and making a new video for you guys, and share with your family and friends and who has this problem. And please subscribe my channel, and I would like to grow my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel, and I will bring more videos like this for you guys. And let's get started. You always find your AC blower underneath of your passenger side, so I will show you here. So you will find here, always you find here, and there you can see the screws. There are two screws. One is here and the other one is this. So here's the two screws, the plastic screws, like what I did remove. Yes, and then you can take this plastic cap easily out. Just need to grab it, this, take it out. And there you're going to find this little guy here. Hope you guys can see this. This is the little guy. You need to exchange if it is broken, or you need to fix if there is a lot of dirt inside. We will see. Okay, then. First I need to take this out, and then I'm going to show you. So finally guys, I found the problem. It was like funny thing. My daughter, she left a spoon, and I don't know how it went inside. Might be from the glove box it went inside, and I found this small spoon on my so I hope it will work fine, and it looks clean, but I'm going to clean it a little bit more, and just like with the vacuum cleaner, nothing else, because it has some electric stuff which you can see through this vent. So you don't need to do anything else with that. No wash, not at all. Just clean it with the dry things, and let's see when we put this back, and if it works fine or not. Yeah, so yeah, it was funny. Okay then, see you in a bit. So guys, before I put this back, so I thought I should give you a quick view of inside, what you will find when you take this out. You find this big hole, and this jack was in the blower motor, and it is a bit tricky to fix it back or take this out because we do not have enough space here. So be patient while you are taking this out and while you are taking this in. Yeah, putting this in here. So just like be patient, otherwise you're going to break it if it's not broken already. Yeah, so be patient, okay? So guys, I put this back, I fixed this back, and now you can see finally it's here. Hopefully you can see this, and I'm just going to put this jack back. Yeah, just give me a sec. Okay, so the jack is in already, you can see, and yeah, and let's check it out if it is fine. I hope so. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh, did it. Oh yeah. So finally guys, I'm happy. I'm quite happy with my job. And so I did it, and you can see this is on number 4, and no noise at all. Yeah, except the fan noise, yeah, which you have bear. So it's on 4, it's on 3. So no noise at all. Happy with that. Okay then. So please guys, subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my videos with your family and friends who has this kind of problems. Please comment below what you guys want to see and what you want me to do. So if I find time, or definitely, if you request a lot, then definitely I'm going to make video on the topic what you guys want. Okay then, until then, take care and bye bye.